Hey there, Jeep enthusiasts! Ever wondered what it takes to build the iconic Grand Cherokee, Wrangler, and Wagoneer? Today, I'm taking you on an exclusive tour of Jeep's $1 billion factory, where these legendary SUVs come to life. First up, let's talk about the scale of this place. Spanning over 3 million square feet, this factory is a marvel of modern engineering. It's a symphony of robotics and human craftsmanship coming together to create the vehicles we all love. As we walk through, you'll notice the impressive production line. State-of-the-art robots handle tasks with precision, from welding the body frames to assembling intricate components. But it's not all about machines. Skilled workers oversee every step, ensuring each Jeep meets the highest standards of quality. Next, let's dive into the heart of the factory, the engine assembly area. This is where the powerful engines that drive our Jeeps are meticulously put together. From the robust V6S to the mighty V8S, each engine is crafted with attention to detail, ensuring reliability and performance. Now, on to the paint shop. This high-tech facility uses eco-friendly processes to give each Jeep its signature look. Multiple layers of primer, paint, and clear coat are applied with precision, resulting in a flawless finish that can withstand the toughest conditions. One of the most fascinating parts of the tour is the final assembly. Here, all the components come together, from the engine and transmission to the interior features. It's like watching a giant puzzle being put together. Each Jeep is then subjected to rigorous testing, ensuring it's ready for anything the road or trail throws at it. Finally, let's talk about the people behind the machines. The factory employs thousands of dedicated individuals, each passionate about building the best SUVs on the market. Their expertise and commitment are what make Jeep vehicles truly stand out. So, there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at Jeep's $1 billion factory. It's a place where innovation meets tradition, and where every Jeep is built with pride. Next time you're behind the wheel of your Grand Cherokee, Wrangler, or Wagoneer, you'll know about the incredible journey it took to get there. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Jeep content. Until next time, keep exploring and keep that Jeep spirit alive.